Hey guys, today I will show you how to set a Gantt baseline in Monday.com. First, open your board in Gantt view. Make sure your timeline or date column is set up correctly. This determines what data your baseline will snapshot. Next, click on Baseline at the top of your Gantt chart. Then on the right navigation bar, find the Baseline section and select Add a new snapshot. Once you take a snapshot, Monday.com will create a gray shadow bar behind your tasks that represents the original timeline. Future changes to task dates will be compared against this baseline. To toggle seeing the baseline, go to the Baseline section in your Gantt settings. You can show or hide it, and if you have multiple baseline snapshots, you can compare between them. Keep in mind, when you create a baseline, Monday.com duplicates your original timeline column and also adds a formula column that calculates the difference between your original dates and the current ones. And that's how you set a Gantt baseline in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.